Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Uphold. So if you're wondering how to do that, this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. When it comes to buying cryptocurrencies, the simple thing you need to do is to first log into your Uphold account. So you can do that on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. And what you want to do next is to click on invest on the dashboard. Then you want to select the cryptocurrency that you want to buy. That could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it's available on Uphold. And then you want to set the amounts. So you got to enter the amount that you want to buy in, of course, in US dollars or other supported currencies. And then you got to review the transaction details and confirm the purchase. And of course, you got to have funds in the account. So if you don't have funds, you got to fund your accounts before you can proceed. Once you have that, the cryptocurrency will be bought and you basically have it. Now when it comes to selling cryptocurrencies, what you want to do is to log into your Uphold account first. You can do that on the mobile app or of course on the website, and then you want to click on invest tab on the dashboard. And then you want to select the cryptocurrency that you want to sell. Of course, that's got to be cryptocurrency you've already bought before. So once you select that cryptocurrency, then you're going to set the amount. So you got to enter the amount you want to sell. And of course, you can have that in US dollars or other supported currencies. And then you got to review the transaction details and confirm the sales. And if you want to, you can withdraw the funds from your Uphold account to whatever other account you want to use. So that's pretty much how to get that done. Now I got a couple of tips for you guys. And the first is you got to understand market volatility. So cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile, so you got to be prepared for price fluctuations. So what your price today might not be the same tomorrow, definitely won't be the same the next 2 days after, things change. So you got to adjust to the market. Now the second, of course, is to set clear financial goals. You got to define your financial investment objectives before buying and selling cryptocurrency. So you got to plan ahead. Now the third, of course, is to monitor and adjust. So you got to regularly review your cryptocurrency holdings and adjust your strategy as needed. Now the fourth, of course, is to understand fees. So Upwork has different fee structures, and you got to review those before buying or selling cryptocurrencies, because that's going to save you a lot of headache. Now the fifth and final tip is to use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your Uphold account and just make it a lot more secure, because you got money there, so you want it to be as secure as possible. Now that's it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it, hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and of course subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, because it helps it out a lot. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.